Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to another live session by Sliver Trades. This is Rao here. We are going to trade with Sliver Bullet Pro again today. Market has been trending up nicely. So I want to see if I can trade with NASDAQ minis today. All right. So let's see where the market is. Market is in slight pullback mode. A 15-second chart. So let's see what we can do today. This trend, my market trended nicely, and now it's in slight pullback mode. So I'll wait for some time before deciding what trades to take. I can trade long, but long trade will take place only. Let me turn it on. Let's see what happens. I expect market to pull back to this level before trading upside. I want to move this away so I can check a few things without distracting the main flow. The market is going to pull back a bit, and then it will resume its upside trend. So we have to wait until then. I can take short trades, but maybe why don't I take some short trades here? If it yeah, I'm going to take short until 700 level. For that, there has to be some nice pullback. Maybe contrarian 2. All right. The trade was taken here. All right. So $105 of profit from trade number one. To change it to contrarian now. Different strategy than what it was. Since the flow got interrupted, I want further pullback before new trade takes place. Right, one more trade here. All right, one more profitable trade. Two profitable trades and $210 from those two trades. Need some pullback before you can trade. Um, I'll perhaps turn off short here because it's been uptrending market and I'm trading against the trend. So I could take one more trade, but I'm a bit skeptical. Um, I want a greater pullback before I take another trade. So let's see if I get that kind of pullback. That's what I was saying. I want a greater pullback for I want some more. I want close to 720 before I take a trade. Here I can, oops, nope, not there. I see what happened. I want a little market to go a little higher. You go. So some more, close to 720. I'll be interested in shorting, and that would be just one short. It looks like all right. Right. So this is enough for me. I'm going to close it early, just $55. So there is a flatness here. A 21 SMA is flat, and as you see in the flat market, I try to avoid. And again, my trade was counter trend, so I tried to close it quickly. And expect the market to resume to the upside. So I'll wait for a little more confirmation. It's coming down now. Again, this becomes my range. I want it to break out of this range before, or say about this range before I decide my trend. decide my direction. In this range, I would consider the market to be sideways. So I'll be careful in taking trades. So far from 3 trades, $265. Here, this trade I closed early. It could have been profitable if I'd stayed on, but after two nice trades, I was a bit defensive here because the market was stuck in a range. Right. So from here, I will try to go long if there is a nice pullback. It's still range. It's still in the range. It went out and came back in the range. You'll see here, it closed outside the range and then came back in, which I didn't like. So, and it did not break the previous high, this high either. Slightly it broke. So the market will go back and forth for some more time. In uptrending market, two strategic, in fact, three strategic shorts we took. Looks like market would like to come down further. So turn my short on. Because it swept the liquidity from top. Again, I will curtail my target. I'm being defensive, guys. Could have given me $100 of profit, but since I'm trading against the trend, I am trying to come out as quickly as possible. $320 and complain. Market has been pretty much in a range for last 15 minutes. And in that range bound market, we took short trades. Be carefully though. These two trades were nice short trades when market was trending down. Here, these last two trades were very tactical. So again, those who are new, they should be extremely careful in this sideways market because market could pop out in one direction very fast and could take your stop loss. Sideways market, guys. So um, though short-term trend could be downside, this kind of up market spikes out very quickly. So I'm going to be careful. Let me check a few more things here. Already, is this turning point? Not sure. It's going to be in range for some more time. So market is stuck in a range, guys. I could take a trade if market touches this uh, this 233 line. I could take one trade tactically here, long trade. You can, or I'll show you guys how to take a resting order. So you can place a resting order somewhere like this. All right. Right. And then, so we can place limit orders as well. But since this is a big red candle, I have to see what I want to do. It's a range bound market, so I'll make my target smaller. Smaller target, better life. It wants to come down some more. So unfortunately, I will try to get out of it for break even. Don't like the action. A big candle, you know, it was, if it came down in smaller candles, this trade would have been nice. It would have given me a return. But since it was a big candle, like trading against a big red candle is, or taking long position against a big red candle is not always good. See, I just missed. I need to make my target even smaller. So this is what happens. Sometimes we have to be careful. In the range, as I was saying, you know, we need to be careful. All right. Came out of that trade. Now I'll reassess my direction before jumping onto a trade. In hindsight, the trade would have been fine. You know, I would have been profited by now. But as part of risk management, I want to, after making $300, I want to be careful. And the reason is, it's not $300 is not a big amount, but we want to be careful so that we can copy trade. We can use copy trader to copy trade and multiply our profits. So that's what our aim should be. Yeah, I just realized that I've been on mute for quite some time and talking. Sorry, guys. um, yeah, so what I was saying was, if you are new, be careful about this kind of range bound market. Even though I've been taking trades, last couple of trades, thinking that I'm in a direction, but clearly market is not in a direction, it's a range bound. And in this kind of market, you have seen how I try to come out of losing trades for break even or a small gain, but it's good to be careful in this kind of market. So my bias is still to the upside, so I'm going to take long trades. All right. So now if I have to average it, I will keep a resting order here. So that's what we've been seeing, since its market is in the range. Uh, if I'm taking contrarian trade, market is giving a pullback further. So I've placed a resting order here. I hope I don't get this kind of pull down again. That happens again, I'll face some heat. Should have booked profit, a small profit, some $50 or something. Um, Sometimes it's good idea to just place the stop here. And trail it, but even trailing won't work because it's just grinding back and forth. Like here, I place the stop here. Oops, no, it did not. I'll try to see if it works out. Okay, so like here, I place the stop. My $25 of profit is logged in. Okay, so I got that $20 or something. So let me see how much. Yeah, $25. So sometimes that trailing stop helps. $385 so far. I'll look for one more trade before closing this session. So let me place a resting order this time. Resting order would be somewhere here. Maybe the low of this point. Okay. So let's see. It's a nice bullish candle. Okay, now I'm going to go long again because I like this bullish candle here. Going to take a tactical. All right. Let's see, guys, what it does. I like this bullish candle, but if it goes below this level, yeah, which it did, it means it was a trap. Okay. So I'm ready to average my position, placing a resting order here. But I'll move it down a little more. Let it try to take the liquidity below it. All right, so this is ready to be ready for break even. Set it up for break even. If it comes down further, I'll have to keep one more resting order here. And wait what happens. So guys, hope this helps. This is a great lesson on trade management. Not that every time you should get into this kind of situation. You should not try to get into this kind of situation, and that can happen only by avoiding trading in this range bound market. But if you find yourself in this kind of position or situation, this is how you try to come out of losing trades. It works well to some extent, but say for whatever reason market starts to drop significantly, then it's good to just press the stop button and take the loss and come back another day. I was happy to see this green candle, but that was just a fake candle. So I guess the market will take liquidity below this level and then start going up. But let's see what it does. Showing that it's going to turn around, but you never know. Some point I have to add additional positions so that, as to reduce my average price, because it could be a bit a stretch to move up to this level. So let's see. Okay, it's pumping up higher nicely, but will it cross this level? That's the question. Oh, almost. I almost closed the position. Some more. Almost. Uh-oh. It went to positive territory and came back. Shoot. Shoot. It happens so often, guys. So often that it'll touch my break-even price and then revert from there without filling the order. I don't know why. It happens so often that I cannot even, laugh at it. I can only laugh at it. All right. Okay. So I'm out of that losing position. It was so let's see how it worked out. So $130 in the second trade, a loss of 150 in the first trade. So net $15 profit. I would call it break even because commissions will eat away this gain. And so net $400. So we traded about 1 hour and made about $400. So if anybody is interested in our to learn how we trade, visit slivertrades.com. This is the website, guys. And you are to come to slivertrades.com and you can watch the webinar And this deal is over, but email us and we'll still see what we can do and try to give you the best offer. And here we have, this is our Facebook page. We have this Bullnox sale going on for 83% off. Let me see if that's still the case, because today is the last day for it. Yes, it's still the same, $83 off. So 83% off on all accounts, and I recommend only 50K account from Bullnox, because activation fee for other accounts is very high. And if you want any of Tradify accounts, there is a 30% off going on until February 14th. Use the coupon code Sliver, SLIVER, and same is the case for Bullnox accounts. Use the code Sliver, SLIVER, to get 83% discount. With that, this is Rao here signing off from our live trading session, where we made $400, 9 profitable trades, 2 losing trades, and we traded about 1 hour. So $400 in 1 hour, not bad, right? And I'll see you again in another live session. Thanks for joining. Bye now.